Hello, baby Ariel.
Don't take me.
Oh.
What to do when they have hiccup?